You're watching the CryptoAdvance channel, and today we are taking a look at the Greedy Machines NFT. Join the NFT revolution in Bitcoin mining. Build your mining business online and receive daily Bitcoin rewards. So before we get any further, remember that nothing in this video is financial advice. Please always do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. So the Greedy Machines NFT, this is an NFT that eases entry into mining. First and foremost, it eliminates the need to buy equipment and configure it. Unlike cloud mining, it provides you with an opportunity for unlimited mining. And apart from it, it's a beautiful art project with gamification. So the Greedy Machines, we will actually dive in and actually do a trial for free, which is really cool. And I do have a link down below for a 10% discount in the link in the description for the next 2 weeks. So mining with the Greedy Machines versus traditional mining. We compared the ROI of the Antminer Pro and with our 2XL NFT with a similar price. The profitability of the digital miner is higher, and there are 3 reasons for this. Number 1, the best electricity price you can imagine. For only 4 cents for 1 kilowatt hour, no one can offer you a better rate. GMT is a first-class service, so by purchasing the NFT, you don't need to maintain your fleet of devices yourself. GMT's service centers fix the problems faster and cheaper than any contractor in the field, and an attractive discount system, which the NFT holders get additional discounts on electricity and maintenance that can reach a total of 14%. With NFTs by GMT, mining has become available to everyone. You never need to buy a real mine for $50, but our XL digital miners cost just that and generate returns the day after being purchased. So we can see a traditional miner, you're looking at an ROI of 9% per year. However, with the Greedy Machines mining NFT, you're looking at an ROI of 28.62%. What do you get from the Greedy Machines? So you get digital art that mines Bitcoins, daily Bitcoin rewards in your wallet, choice of NFT in terms of power, energy, and efficiency, and a pool game with potential to mine more Bitcoin. So we have different NFT miners. You can choose your Greedy Machine. So we have air cooled, which are 50 watts per terahash. Then we have immersion cooling and water cooling. And I really like the art style of all of these, which is really cool. So we have ranging from the XS series, which is 2 terahash, anticipated ROI of 33%, historical ROI of 93%. And if we go to the water-cooled beasts, look at this 4XL series. It's really, really cool. And if you go ahead over to the marketplace, you can actually see all of the NFTs. Here you can use your currency, USDT or GMT. And also, as we can see at the top, one and only NFT with real Bitcoin mining. Try free for 14 days. So this trial period is now 14 days, which is really nice. So go ahead and try this out. Again, select your NFTs, pretty simple. You can go ahead, well, you can filter, pick your different Greedy Machine. And then here we can see the ROI, the anticipated ROI, ownership period for calculations. Then we have the computing power, energy efficiency, etc. So next up, how it works. Greedy Machines is real mining where you choose the power and energy efficiency of the equipment and decide how to mine, either solo or in a pool. You don't need to worry about selecting the supplier, delivery, and connection of equipment, its expensive maintenance or electricity cost. Profitable mining starts immediately after purchasing your NFT. So as soon as you get your NFT, you can start earning this Bitcoin. And we can see, yeah, you don't have to pay for electric, there's discounts, and paying in a pool with having much more Bitcoin. So solo mining is NFT ownership. First Bitcoin reward will go to Bitcoin wallet the day after buying your NFT. Then there is also pool mining, which is playing a game. You get started, you can join a pool or create your own. You're pooling the processing power of multiple players. This game increases the chances of winning and the size of your reward. If you win, the pool creator gets 1% of the total reward in the pool, and all other participants receive Bitcoin in proportion to the activity in the game and power. We will help you increase your Bitcoin rewards even more. You're going to increase the rewards by reducing service costs via discounts, increase the power by obtaining new NFTs, maintain or service your NFT miners daily, and pay for commissions with GMT tokens, which is their native coin. Try mining with NFT. So now let's head into the trial period and try it out. So we can see NFT trial period, Try mining for free with Greedy Machines. Choose one of the trial NFTs to experience the benefits and receive Bitcoin rewards. The trial lasts 14 days. During this time, you will receive Bitcoin rewards on your virtual balance. To get these rewards on a real wallet, you have to buy the NFT of the same efficiency or higher for that, but you don't have to pay it right now. So we're going to try with the miner M. We'll accept the terms and start my trial. Again, first you need to, of course, go ahead and connect a wallet. So I'll go ahead and go for this account here. Connect to the site, sign the transaction for the timestamp, and then we should be all good to go. And yeah, we can see loading our content, setting up. So now we can decide if we want to do solar mining or pool mining. I'm gonna go for the solar mining here for this thing. Again, we have an overview of the, you have your level, maintenance, service button here, serviced in a row, so the amount of times you've serviced in a row, and a total discount. Then we can see previous levels we passed, current level, and then further levels if we want to upgrade our computing power, and the sum of rewards for our NFTs. And then of course, if you want to go to pool mining, you can switch that. So here we have our mining farm. We will be able to see the rewards we start accruing, but again, we have 14 days for this trial. So again, go ahead and try it out for yourself. I really just like the graphics and overall interface and art style for this project. And also, once you do get involved, GMT is all based through a smart contract, and it's a safe system. Again, it's been audited by multiple organizations, so you can have some trust in the Greedy Machines NFT. Also, they have a very strong support team. If you have any questions, available via Telegram, there will be a link down below to the Telegram. And then of course we have all of their different social medias too. But yeah, so I still have my trial miner, and if we take a look at some of the rewards, if this would have been a real miner, heading over to NFT rewards here, we can see there has actually been 3 days since the last part, and we can see with the computing power of 8, my rewards would have been, well, a lot of zeros, 576 Bitcoin, then 379 and 388 with the power. And then we have the C1, which is electricity costs based on your, well, kilowatt hour, Bitcoin price, computing power, and energy efficiency. So this is the trial one. Again, we would have earned 0.4013 Bitcoin, but now I'm going to go ahead and actually buy a NFT and show you that process. It's pretty simple. Again, go over to the NFT marketplace. You can see all of the miners, and you can filter by different amounts. So the higher, well, we can see extra small is the cheapest miner with 2 terahashes, and then 4XL is the most expensive stuff here. So for this example, we're just going to go in with a cheap one, a 2 terahash extra small. And of course, we can pick one that we like the look of. I think I might just go for one of these white ones. I quite like the background on this. So we can see Greedy Machine 1151. Our anticipated ROI is 21.5%. Electricity fee, net reward, so the payback period, and then we can see the historical ROI, etc. So I'm going to go ahead, add this to my bag, and then we can check out. So first off, you need to, of course, pick a wallet where you receive your NFT. So this can either be your virtual address, or of course, I'm going to use my ERC20 address. Check out here. Wait a bit, and then you can of course pick your network for the payment, which is very nice. So all of them use USDT as the currency, but you can use Ethereum, Tron, or BSC. So I'm going to go for the Tron version. That's why I've got some USDT. So we can see send exactly 63.24 USDT via TRC20 in one transaction to the address. So I actually use my ledger to store my USDT over Tron. So what I need to do again, go ahead and copy this address, or you can use the QR code. Paste in your recipient address here. Again, this would be the same process if you're using any of the other transactions. Continue, and then of course the amount. So I need to copy this exact amount of 63.24. So you need to send exactly that amount in one transaction. So you go ahead and select that in a USDT. We confirm it. Again, it's going to cost a tiny amount of TRX in fees, but that's all good. And then, of course, I need to just review this transaction on my ledger and sign it. So that is broadcasting the transaction. Should not take too long. Transaction has been sent. And then shortly, this invoice, again, you have 1 hour to pay it. We can refresh the page. And again, payment as soon as completed, once they get 5 confirmations, usually takes up to 5 minutes. And then once you refresh the page, eventually we will get that confirmation message. I'll be back then. Just refreshed, then we can see payment complete. Thank you for your purchase. So going back to the merchant here, we should have my NFT. So my miners, we can see my greedy machine 1151. This is the real deal. It ain't one of those trials. And yeah, this is it. So we can see my computing power, collection, series, energy efficiency. We can see my NFT ownership here. To this will tell you the ROIs, etc., how much you will be earning. And then hey, if you go over to the NFT reward section, this will be where we start getting our Bitcoin rewards. So upon just purchasing the mine, again, we're going to have to wait some time to accumulate some rewards. But like the trial one, it will come through very, very shortly. So we're going to go back and look back on the homepage for some of those details. So you have a also loyalty program where you can refer your friends if you have friends who would be interested in this kind of mining. And then again, how to buy again, USDT or GMT tokens. To first purchase, you need to register your personal account, attach your wallet where the NFT will be sent, and the address of your Bitcoin wallet where you will receive your rewards. And then they've been in the mining game since 2017, so 6 whole years in this space. It feels weird saying that because we're in 23 now. And then they created their NFTs last year. Their goals are to get listed in the top 30 biggest crypto exchanges, to bring the average energy efficient of their equipment to 50 watt per terahash, to occupy 20% of the world's crypto mining capacity. And here we can see, I believe these are the mining areas. There you go. Genuine NFTs by GMT. Here we of course have the smart contract addresses which have been audited, and you can, of course can go through all of the details here. If you have any questions, go through the white paper if you want to do your own research. And if you have any questions, check out their Telegram channel because they're available 24 hours a day. This is the news one. And yeah, make sure you check it out. You have been watching the CryptoAdvance channel, and this has been the Greedy Machines NFT, the next revolution in Bitcoin mining. So again, I do have a link down below for a 10% discount for 2 weeks only. So check that out down below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.